Friends, thank you for watching my channel. I just want to remind you, if you need wallpaper, go to www.wallpaperboulevard.com. Tell them Spencer sent you. In fact, if you use my hashtag, Spencer Colgan is wallpaper, they'll be sure to give you a 10% off at your checkout. No matter how much you order, they have a wide selection of wallpaper. Check it out. Tell them I said hello and enjoy your discount. Thanks for watching. Show them this right here. Any imperfections, you just straighten it out with a new layer. Now, this is just touch-up. This is not what you would do when you're first painting. This is just touching up. And so we're not using a ton of paint on the brush. We just embedded the tape into the molding, into the chair railing, by creating a little heat, a little friction. And you can see that it's razor sharp. Okay, so just show them that. I'll take that. Okay. Now, with the right brush, just 2-inch brush, angle sash. With very little paint on it. Come in close. Just follow me around the bend. To your right, yep. When you come to the end, don't keep doing this. You then stop your brush midway, turn the direction of the brush, because you don't want to be flicking paint the other way. Anytime you come to an end, you don't want to do this, flicking paint. You come to that end, pull it toward the middle. All right, let's see how we did. Just come behind me. You can see. Just come in real close. Nice and short. Just follow the tape coming in. Real close. Pull it off my hand. Pull tight. Okay, now that's stuck, so we want to pull in the opposite direction now. A little too much friction. Melted the tape right to the molding. But you can see that it comes off if you pull it in the right direction. Okay, right over here too. Okay, so take that off my hand. If you get any paint on it with a steady hand, put your finger in there like that. Put it right on the edge and just drag it nice and not too slow. Too slow, you might mess it up. That's it, just clean it up. Clean it up, you get that little paint on there and you get it all nice. Just show them the result. Okay, everybody in the car.